Hi, I'm Grace Grogan. Paul Cannon and I live and travel full-time in a motorhome. We are both photographers and enjoy spending time looking for great spots to take pictures. One of our favorite ways to do that is taking our Jeep on off-road trails. We are rolling through North America and invite you to travel with us on our adventures. If you enjoy trail riding with us, hit that subscribe button below to receive notice each time a new video is released. Here we are crossing a riverbed. In Arizona, dry riverbeds are common. The riverbeds only fill with water seasonally after sufficient rain has fallen. We turned and the trail will take us to a slightly higher elevation with a scenic overlook. Today we are visiting the Sandbowl OHV near Ehrenberg, Arizona, less than a mile from California. This is an area of about 3 square miles that has a main play area with sand dunes in the north section and hard-packed dirt trails on the southern end. The Fun Treks off-road book gives the Sandbowl a moderate difficulty rating because of the soft sand, steep slopes, and off-camber hills. Off-camber means side hill and is difficult because gravity tries to pull you down the side hill, but the course you are driving keeps going forward and traction is limited. The higher elevation provided some unique scenery. There are mesquite trees growing in the sand. There are more than 40 types of mesquite trees throughout the world and 3 that are native to the southwestern United States. This tree does not require a large amount of water, which makes it adaptable to sandy desert areas. In Arizona, for every 1,000 feet gain in elevation, there is about 5 inches of rainfall in a normal year. In low desert elevations of about 1,000 feet, the mesquite survive on that small amount of water. The sign you see is for a gas line. The pole with the red roof has a number on it. That is a marker for aircraft that fly checking the utility line. This area has an open driving area. Vehicles are free to roam wherever they choose, so there is no set trail to follow. Even though the Sandbowl area is only 3 square miles, it is easy to lose your bearing and get turned around. The trail is ahead, but the edge had quite an angle going toward the drop-off. Sand is unpredictable, so Paul thought it better to come at the trail from a different spot that was straight. what area we are driving in the bowl, with the hills and sand dunes surrounding us. We have now moved into more of a dunes area, but there is still a fair amount of plant life. We did not air down our tires, which helps with traction in sandy areas. We also did not take a long run at the hill and obviously did not make it up. You can see the track marks we left as we backed down the hill. You can see the hood of the Jeep shaking as it struggles up the hill. This time we made it to the top. This time we made a good run at the hill, but still didn't make it to the top. Without airing down tires, it is difficult when combining thick sand and steep inclines. Even coming from farther back, we still had a problem making it up the hill. Watch the hood shake as the tires lose traction. Look at the area on the left. It is part of a figure 8 created by people on ATVs running up the sides of the hills for fun. As we drive, you can see small purple flowers low to the ground. Those are sand verbena, which give desert areas a vibrant purple carpet. Its normal blooming time is February through May. Being new to off-roading, Paul hesitated to go up the steep section ahead. Now with more experience, he would definitely go on. Here we are on the top of a dune with drop-offs on both sides. We stopped so Paul could analyze which side to go down. The entrance to the Sandbowl area is on the far side of the hills and trails you see on the left. Paul decided the left trail was more of a straight shot down with less tilt, making it a better choice for the Jeep. We took some photos before heading down. There are two more areas on the left where ATVs have their tracks on the hills. What we have done is gone up a side trail and are now coming down over the top of the ATV track. We hope you enjoyed spending time in the Sandbowl OHV area with us. We didn't see anyone out on the trail during our trip, but from the large number of tracks you can tell it is a popular area. Many thanks to the Fun Treks Off-Road books that guide us on our trail adventures. A big thank you from Paul and I for watching. We hope you enjoyed the ride. Please hit that subscribe button below so you receive notifications each time we publish a new video on rolling through North America. Travel with us. Give us a big thumbs up below and we welcome your comments. Again, thanks for watching.